everybody and welcome to my channel. So today what I'm doing for you is a fresh new set of long stiletto sculpted nails using acrylic products from Miss You Beauty, but also today I am doing a review video for you. So these are the products that I will be using. So in order to create my nails, these are the items that I will be using. I will prep my nails with my Miss You Beauty's primer. I will use my Miss You Beauty liquid and clear powder to create my nail. Then I will use my Miss You Beauty size 8 acrylic brush. I will use these forms from Crystal Nails in order to create the nail, and I will be using this one colour powder from Miss You Beauty. It's the powder that I've just recently fallen in love with, although I did like it before, but I do really love it. And it's designed by Gemma Lambert, and it's Sapphire Shimmer. So these are the products that I will use, and then I will be doing review products which I will show you when I come to do the nail art on my nails. So I shall get started. Okay, so these are the products that I've received from bornpretty store. So they are what we have here. The first one is a magnetic gel, cat's eye. Then we've got a thermal gel here. And then what we have are some holographic laser flakes, like a powder that you rub into the nail. So I'm really excited to be using these. Check them out, they're so cute. I'm dead excited to be using those. So the colours of these, so I've got number 2 and number 3. So fairly similar. One is more of a bluey colour, which is this one, and this one is more of like a pinky tone to it. I don't know if you can see, I hope you can. Absolutely gorgeous, can't wait to use them. Then I've got the Cat's Eye magnetic gel, is colour number 02, and that is called Forever Young. It actually has the name, can you see that there on the bottom, Forever Young. So that's that one. And then the gel polish that I have is colour number 06, and it's called Butterflies in Love. How cute is that? So I am just going to apply these to my nails. These two flakes I'm going to pop on my forefinger and my ring finger, and then these two I will, oops a daisy, I will use the thermal gel on my thumb and the magnetic gel on my little finger. So these two also, you do need a black, well, you can use any colour really, but I do prefer to use black gel polish underneath these. Okay, so on my forefinger and my ring finger, sorry, I'm just going to apply my Miss You Beauty non-wipe top coat. And on my thumb, I'll just apply some normal top coat, and my middle finger, normal top coat, sorry. But then for my little finger, I am just going to apply my Cat's Eye gel polish, and before I cure it, I will use my magnetic, I don't know what you call this, a magnetic wand, I'm not sure, but that's it, comes out like a chevron, and that's what it is, and you sort of just apply it over the nail like that. So that's what I will be doing. So here are my nails, all finished. I have just applied cuticle oil to my nails and I am super happy with the products that I was sent from bornprettystore.com. They're amazing. I hope you can see the glitters in those flakes, and I don't know if this light is doing justice. I'm not sure. Might be able to see a bit more there. They're so the cat's eye holographic magnetic cat's eye gel, which you do need the black base coat for. You need a black gel polish to go underneath that. So that is $4.99. It's actually £3.62. And the colour that I got there was Forever Young, and it's BP02. Then the next one was the thermal gel polish, and that one is $4.29 or £3.11. And then the next one are these beautiful flakes. I actually think these are my favourites. They're amazing. I love them. So you can get two effects with them. You can get the mirror effect where you rub them in, or you can just get the flake effect where you just dab them on with the applicators. So I did a bit of both because I just love how it looks. So the colours that I got was number 2 and number 3. So these are $2.29 or £1.66. So I do have a discount code for Born Pretty, so that will be in the description box below, along with links to the products that I used in today's video. So thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you have any requests, feel free to leave me a comment in the section below. All the links to the items that I used today will be linked below for you as well. So I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.